Connect with like-minded AHK users in our private chat, helping each other out and sparking ideas that make scripting way more fun. Unlock weekly live sessions totaling 3 hours. Expert guidance, troubleshooting, and interactive learning to make AHK mastery a breeze.
Let's do the opposite. Yeah, that's great. Yes.
And then I do something like if I have selected somewhere or something like that. If I'm not, then I will just auto close it.
You just gave me a good idea. So great, perfect. I will show you what I did. Let me. So basically, what you just did is that you created a map, close character, right?
Yes. Yes.
So I have a map here, and basically I would have for each of these guys.
Yeah, you have a closing character.
Right. All right, let me just do this. Copy these guys up. Put them right here. Add commas to them. And then now do the closing characters. And you will see how that would help me kind of like clean up my code in a second here. According to this, this should be good, right? So let me just do here the opposite of it, which is, okay. That's it. So basically here I have my closing pairs, right?
Yes.
And that would mean that here, I don't need to have them all separately.
So you just need a default.
I just need, right, I just need commas here. And now, let me see, hold on. I have this one, this one, this one, this one. Because this here would be the opposite of it, right? And now here, it would be the close character, whatever the hotkey was, it would just return that. But if close character, well, this only happens when I have those characters. So now, instead of having a switch statement that is very, you know, far away, you know, like that has too many cases, I just group all of these cases here and then just grab the closing character that we have in this map, right? So that's a very good idea, Irfan. Like, you know, that's why it is great. It is always good to see other people's codes because you can come up with things to clean up your stuff, right? So there you go. Now it is a little bit shorter. The switch statement is cleaner. And now if I want to add another thing in here, like for example, percent signs, I just add my percent sign here, right? And I just add my percent sign right here. And again, with opening and closing thing, right? Like that's another one that I would like to do. And it is easy for me to just add them now because I don't have to be, you know, reading the whole thing to get it. I just add it in here and add it in here. That's it.
Well, and I don't think we need to go into it, but to me, again, I hate any time where you have two places to update something.
Yeah.
So there's a way
That's
to
right.
sort of a loop at the bottom part over, you know, some way to do it, right? Where you still have your initial map, but you don't have to have the characters down here. It's, you know,
right. Well, I could do it with the default command. So, so I could say default. So if it is not one of these guys, go ahead and check if close char has the character that you just passed, right? If it doesn't have it, then we just do nothing. Let me see. How do I, no, well, I can do this. If we have it, send it. If we don't have it, just continue going down, right? And that way, yes, to your point, I just modify here and the code already updated down there.
Yeah.
That's perfectly fine. Perfect. Like that's looking really better. I would like to know what I would do if I try to copy the clipboard and there's nothing there. I think I have to send the original character. So this character, if I sent it, or any of the others, like if I sent the Yeah, if I sent an open bracket or something, but I didn't have anything selected at that time, then I do want to send the open bracket, right? So I want to send whatever that was, but that doesn't happen with the hotkey. So yeah, I will have to see how I would handle that. Because at that point, if I don't have anything selected, it is not sending the key that I just pressed, which is kind of strange, right? We will see how I would handle that if it is one of these guys, right? If it is L, U, and T. I don't want to send that because it was a hotkey. Oh, well, I would do that on if close character has the hotkey that I sent, then we send it, else just do nothing or whatever, you know, the return, you know, something like that. So that now when I run it, if I don't have anything selected, I do want to send the open bracket, which worked just fine there because VS Code closes it, even though I just sent this and VS Code actually just sent it. Now let me do it here. That doesn't have autocomplete. That doesn't work. Oh, there it is. It did. Why does it? Oh yeah. So it takes a little while for it to send it because of the wait command here. So if I make it 300 instead, it would not be so painful to wait for it. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so let me see. Oh, that's still too long. Wow, that's crazy.
Is the Sleep 500 app?
Oh yeah, this Sleep 500. That is for doing the for returning the clipboard. So
Right.
kind of like backing up, restoring the clipboard. Probably here I don't want to wait too much, right?
Right.
Because we just want to send the character. We do want to sleep right here. So yeah.
There you go. That's better. Yeah.
Right. And then we have the sleep right here. And on
Now,
the other one, we just have the, sorry, in this one, I just want to restore it right away and send whatever I had. This one, I do have a little bit of a sleep there in case I'm doing something else. I don't know what I could be doing, but yeah, that sleep would happen only when I'm returning this part. So that makes a little bit more sense. And I guess we should now have a fairly, yeah, so a fair, yeah, it's not that, it doesn't take that long for it to come up, right? I'm kind of, oh yeah, because I have something selected. When I have something selected, it would actually auto close it. If I have nothing selected, then it would just send the thing, right? So very great. Just like that. I was not even planning to doing that today, right? But I've been thinking about having this for a long time. Hey, having the lowercase, uppercase, title case, you know, auto closing stuff. I was not expecting to do it today, but I'm telling you, it was not that complex to at least start up. And then we keep adding to this little special situations that come up. What would I do here? What would I do there? But as
members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services. Tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this, for any time learning that fits your schedule.